Hello everyone, this is Arfin Hassan Ratul and welcome to Ratul the Coder. In the last video, I show you about WordPress tutorial, but from this video we will start again our HTML journey. In this video, I will share you how to use HTML buttons in your websites. So you know what is button in every website has many buttons. When we click button to send forms, to order something, or to know more about it, etc. So we will follow W3 schools to learn HTML. So button lets user interact with web page. They can submit forms, run JavaScript, or trigger different actions when clicked. Like you want that when we will create click the button will be green. You will triggering this event through clicking, and the button is the main part. So HTML button elements defines a clickable button. By itself, button does not nothing until you add action to it. Like you want to submit this, like we will run this and try itself, and button, and this click me. I am clicking this the button and it is causing nothing. Styling with button, and buttons are often styled with CSS. In our previous videos, I have told you that we will use CSS to style our website. So button through CSS we can also style buttons. See, here is the background color, button hover, and we have added a green button. This is the normal button and this is the style button like test video, and this is the ID and etc. You know about this, and we will know it more in the CSS part. So use disable attribute to make a button unclickable. You want that one button will be unclickable. You don't want that the user will click here. So to create that, we will use disabled. Look, I cannot click or interact with the button with JavaScript. As I have said you, we done many actions with button, and to done any action we have to use JavaScript. So you will learn more on JavaScript playlist, so please follow and subscribe our channel. After HTML we will learn CSS, then we will learn JavaScript. So I will this look, there is a button tag, click me, and the on click, it means when we will click it, that action will trigger when we will click. Unless we click, this won't show anything or done anything. Then we our action is we will use alert. So when we will click, it will show alert. Hello, look, this is giving me an alert. Don't thought about this. You will learn more in JavaScript. There are various types of button. The type attribute defines what a button does when clicked. Like the general things, the button, a normal button. Submit. You have filled a form and you want that now you want to submit the form. Then you will use submit button. Then and reset. You want to reset a page, like sometime the page is crashed, so I want to sorry, resets all elements. Like you have filled a form but you want that you need to reset the form again, then you will click to reset. Buttons are often used in forms when we will learn more in the later chapter. For now, just know that submit button sends the form to data to server, as I have said you, while a reset button clears the form. You can know more in about it, and for a complete list of all types you can come to W3 course and learn about this. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. For that time, please goodbye and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.